Here we are in Ad-Dars Al-Rabi', which is lesson 4, and we're looking at Tamreen Arba'a, which is drill 4. And in the previous two drills, we looked at alladhi, the relative pronouns, alladhi, allati, allatani, alladhani, allai, allati, allawati, and allati. So now we're going to move on to the relative pronouns, which are general and not that don't specifically modify a noun. So those are man and ma. And also we have some other phrases that are used along with those, such as kullu man and kullu ma and mimma. Okay? So we're going to translate these sentences from English into Arabic. I'm going to help you with the translation, but of course you're going to put in the correct relative pronoun. So in number 1, we have Taha Hussein, هو المؤلف blank كتب الأيام. Now, because we have the author here, are we going to use man or ma? Man or ma is for when there's no noun specified or no antecedent that is modified by the relative pronoun. But here we have the author, so that's something to note. Number 2, these are the two girls. Okay, هاتان هما البنتان blank sent the letter. Okay. أرسلتا الرسالة. So here again we have the two girls. So you're going to need to modify that with a relative pronoun. In number 3, this is the book. هذا هو الكتاب blank I read with interest. Okay. قرأته باهتمام. So here again we have the book, which is modified. Now I met a group of students who were interested in studying the Arabic language. قابلت مجموعة من الطلاب blank أرادوا أن يدرسوا اللغة العربية. Again, I translated were interested to mean to want. Okay. خمسة, the girl whose father is the manager of this company worked in the same company. البنت blank أبوها مدير لهذه الشركة عملت في نفس الشركة. Now 6, those who study. Now here we're general. We don't have a noun, a specified noun. It's open, right? So it's not specified. So those who study well will succeed in the exam. So here we're going to use man or ma, right? So you're going to choose the correct one and then use it correctly. So I think the words in number 6 are known, so I won't go over them. Now number 7, that is the book which I was looking for. Okay. ذلك هو الكتاب blank كنت أبحث عنه. Okay, now I used here in the subclause, which I was looking for, it, right, the book. عن who, sorry, it should be عن who. So ذلك هو الكتاب blank كنت أبحث عنه. Okay. Number 8, the director received the female employees who were appointed recently. Director, here we can use mudir for director, al-mudir. Now, receive is istaqbala, so istaqbal al-mudir, the female employees, al-muwaddafat. Now, it's got to agree. We have a specific noun, so who were appointed. عينا أخيرا. Okay, عينا is the passive of عينة. عينة يعين, to appoint someone. Number 9, you must discuss this subject. يجب أن تناقش هذا الموضوع مع, and then here everyone. So we're going to use man and ma, but probably with كل or in a phrase like that. Okay, so everyone again is not just man. Who is interested in it? يهتمون به. Okay. The civil war, الحرب الأهلية في لبنان, okay, مضت for more than 10 years. مضت ل10 سنوات. And then here, a fact which, and so there's a specific phrase that we use for a fact which, and you should check in your book for that. جعلت كثير من اللبنانيين ليغادروا بلدهم. Okay. 11, he who works hard will succeed in his life. Okay, and again, he who works hard, this is a general open statement. So we can use man or ma here. Again, you're going to choose the correct one. And I think the vocabulary here should be fine for you. 12, whatever you buy from this shop will be very expensive. Again, this is open. There's no specific noun that is being modified here. So whatever here, you're going to use man or ma, and possibly with another modifier, which will give it that idea of being whatever, like anything. Okay. تشتري من هذا المحل, and then يكون and then here expensive. So expensive is غالي, غاليا. يكون غاليا. Okay. So anyway, that should help you with the vocabulary, and you will need to write out these sentences in Arabic and then submit them. مع السلامة.